Good, good evening, students. Today we shall discuss about shorthand, introduction of shorthand, consonant classification, arrangement and direction of strokes, table of consonants, system of shorthand. सर इज़ाक पिटमैन इन 1837 पब्लिश्ड पिटमैन शॉर्ट हैंड। उसके बाद में 1884 से में J.M. सोलन इंग्लैंड डुप्ले फ्रांस पब्लिश्ड सोलन डुप्लेन सिस्टम ऑफ शॉर्ट हैंड। उसके बाद में 1888 जॉन रॉबर्ट ग्रेग पब्लिश्ड ग्रेग सिस्टम ऑफ शॉर्ट हैंड। दिस सिस्टम इज पॉपुलर इन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स बट नॉट इन इंडिया। This system is not based on position writing. Other writing systems like Morse code, Bareilles code, meant for the building, were based on the phonetic concept of shorthand. Shorthand and stenography. Shorthand is the art of recording spoken words in a given time. It is a script with which human thoughts can be recorded quickly and effectively. It is recording the speed with which a man can speak out his thoughts for the benefit of others. Speed and accuracy are the essential factors for the shorthand writing. Stenography is the art of writing a communication in shorthand and then transcribing it in the respective language script. Thus, art of stenography includes both shorthand and typewriting. That is why shorthand is referred to as twin arts. Okay. Shorthand uses क्या है? In the past, shorthand was used to write the sermons of religious leaders of the church. It was used for notations of marginal notes in public documents to protect him against purgatory. George Bernard Shaw wrote all his literatures in shorthand. Charles Dickens was a shorthand reporter. Sackperson's plays were all preserved by means of shorthand. Julius Caesar is also known to have written in shorthand. The mythological story that the Mahabharata was dedicated by Vyasa to Lord Ganesha also indicates a system of shorthand writing in existence in ancient India. Nowadays, shorthand is used in linguistic bodies, law courts, business correspondence, etc. And now we shall discuss about consonants. Definition. Consonants are the result of audible friction in some part of mouth or throat by Professor Sweets. According to Indian languages, shorthand are the body of the language and vowels are its sounds. Consonants. According to Indian linguistic, consonants are the body of a language and vowels are its souls. In fact, no language can exist without them. They are so interrelated that no consonant can be used in a language without a vowel and no vowel can be used in a language without a consonant. In shorthand, consonants are the body stroke on which the vowel signs can be put. Therefore, consonants have a major role in shorthand, yani phonetic writing, which vowels can be omitted subject to rules of theory. The consonants means strokes are phonetic units syllables of the language and are not fully dependent on the consonant letters of English language. Therefore, a phonetic stroke of shorthand can represent one or more consonant letters of English. Examples: the strokes of K represents the sound of C, call, win, king, and J, chemist. The stroke of J represents the sound of J, jolly, and geography. The stroke S represents C, and sight, siege. The Z represents X-rays, etc. Seizure and zero. While the single stroke sound of che, she, ठीक है, ith, the is represented by two or more consonant letters of English. Therefore, shorthand script has less consonantal strokes and has certain limitations compared to the longhand script. There are 24 consonants in English shorthand as PB, TD, CJ, KG, MN, ING, FV, ETH, the, SG, ISH, G, LR, WY, H. Pairs and arrangement of consonants. The consonantal strokes of English shorthand have paired into light and heavy strokes according to their phonetic sounds. There are first 16 consonants in pairs PB, TD, JJ, KG, FV, ETH, the, SG, ISH, G. The articulations in these pairs are the same, but the sound is light for the first consonant of each pair and heavy sound for the consonant of each pair. The consonants of each pair are represented by the same stroke, but not for the second consonant. This is written thick instead of thin as PB, etc. We have therefore a light sign for the light sound and heavy sign, thick sign for the heavy sound. The consonants M, N, L, R, W, Y do not have phonetic pairs and are represented by light strokes according to their phonetic sounds. The consonantal NG does not have pair, but it is written thick instead of thin since sound of this consonant is heavy. For representation of all consonantal sounds except W, Y, H, the simplest geometrical forms or symbols are used, namely the straight line, solo curve. Those strokes formed by part of a straight line or are called straight strokes, while stroke formed by part of a circle are called curve strokes, as in the following grammar. Size and direction of shorthand. This consonant should be written about 2/3 of the length. Shorthand notebook. Inkscape. Shorthand strokes are written in the three directions are called downward strokes, horizontal strokes, upward strokes. Perspectives. The next consonants F, V, E, D, S, G, G are perspectives. Consonantals. Because in pronouncing them, the outgoing breath passes slowly in a continuous stream through the mouth barriers. जाऊँ हो नसल्स एम एन इंग, ठीक है। लिक्विड्स एल और अपवर्ड एल डाउनवर्ड, आर अपवर्ड आर डाउनवर्ड। कॉन्सिनेंटल्स डब्ल्यू और वाई। एस्पायरेट एच डाउनवर्ड एच अपवर्ड। ज्वाइनिंग ऑफ स्ट्रोक्स। Strokes when joined must be written without lifting the pen. Beginning of the following stroke should be joined to the end of a preceding stroke. Thank you for watching videos.